Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Vivo iQOO U5x, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this smartphone. So, unfortunately, if you have European version of the device, you don't have the opportunity to record calls using normal phone app because you have Google phone application. But if you need to record calls, you can use third-party apps. I suggest you use Cube ACR. Open Cube ACR, click Next, then click Grant Permissions. While using the app, hello. Okay, go eat, hello. And you don't need to provide the access to the location. And click on the cross on the top corner or on the right top corner, I don't know where you will have it. And great, now this app will automatically record your calls from the phone and from the Telegram, Viber, WhatsApp, Messenger and other calling apps. But you need to open the recent apps and just swipe down your Cube ACR to add lock for this application. That's great. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.